Hello, this is Sandesh Bhat and welcome back to this new index analysis video where we are going to be analyzing the performance of Nifty 50 as well as Bank Nifty, and we are going to predict what may happen in the next trading session. So before starting today's analysis, we can clearly see that today's overall market was quite bearish and it was kind of a crash. And if we talk in general what was the main reason, we can say that the base reason must have been rate hike in Japan, and after that day before yesterday we have also seen that there was a poor job data in US, which may lead to a recession in upcoming years. Also we know that there is a lot of geopolitical issues happening in our surroundings, so that may all contribute to what happened today. So if we look at Nifty 50's chart, we can see that market opened somewhere around 300 to 400 point gap down, and after that we can see after a small support somewhere around 930, we could see that there was a fall again that was somewhere for 200 to 300 points. And if you look at the option chain data, we can see that 24,000 is a great support right now because it has closed near 24,000. That is a round number. And if we go a little bit above 24,000, we can see that 24,000. We can see that 24,400, 300s are a good resistance for now, but we'll not rely on resistance right now. We can also see 24,500 has a 43.86 lakhs worth of OI. And if we right now look at the charts, it is not a good time to take any kind of long or bullish trades, because we can see market has due to event as well as the bullish sentiment which was there from past 2 to 3 weeks. I mean, this could be a good point to exit any kind of bullish trade that was taken in mid-June or starting of the June or July. If we look at what all can happen in Nifty 50 right now, we can see that market has fallen somewhere around 2 to 3% today itself. And combining the overall view, we can see that this is a great sell-off. You can see this is the best point for selling the assets, because after a bullish sentiment, we can see that this is a great point to sell our assets, because markets had been rallying for quite 2 months right now, right? From June starting to July, it was heavy bullish market. So what can we conclude by this thing is that this is a combination of profit booking as well as the fear which is right now happening because of the overall events happening in the markets. Now if we look at Bank Nifty, we can also see that Bank Nifty was bearish today as well. And if we go to smaller time frame, we can see that there was a 600 point fall in the morning, gap down, and after that we can see that market almost fell 500 point from where it has actually opened today. Now if we look at option data for Bank Nifty, we can see that 50,500 has an OI of 19.66 lakhs. That could be a good resistance for Wednesday. And talking about support, we will not look at support with that significance, because market is falling, and if we take 50,000 right now as a support, and tomorrow if it's a gap down, then we can expect that it can fall towards its next support, that is somewhere around 49,500. so it's better not to keep any support right now as an important level. Talking about the intraday trades, today's market was actually very easy, and almost 90% of the traders would have made a decent amount of money today, because the price action was too simple to understand today. If we look at the Nifty 50 chart carefully, we can see that market took support somewhere around 930. That was around 24,190 or 200, we could say. And after that, we can see that market tried to push towards its day high, that was somewhere around 24,350. That was morning session's candles wick itself. And after that, we can see there was a good rejection of 27 points at 10 o'clock. After that, we can clearly see that there was kind of a consolidation happening between 10:30 and 10:05. So if we mark it with a pencil, we can see that there was in the first candle there was a wick towards downside, which portrayed that it can be a higher low. But what happened next moment was the green candle was not covering up the first candle that was of 10.5. So we can see after that there was a kind of in 1 minute time frame there was a lot of buying and selling happening, due to which we could see high wicks all around. And after that it concluded with the breakdown of this small range at 10:30, and we can see that the market directly fell, breaking today's support, and it was somewhere around 270 to 300 points of fall, and we could have easily made 1:2 or 1:3 minimum. And if price action or RR was suitable, we could have made somewhere around 1:5 in Nifty 50's today's trade. Talking about Bank Nifty also showcasted a bearish trade today for us. And if you look at this chart carefully, we can see that there was a support formation somewhere around 9:30. And after that, we could see it was a clear pattern of lower high, lower low. If I draw this carefully, if you can see that it is a formation of lower high, lower low. It tested the support somewhere around 10:10 again, but it gradually failed to test its highs. So we would have created a position in Bank Nifty somewhere around 10:30 a.m. for the put side, and we could have easily exited somewhere if we would have got 1:2, 1:3, or we would have got any bullish candle in between. That was somewhere around 11 o'clock. Moving on to India VIX, we can see that India VIX has India VIX has shown a rise of 6% today, and this is due to the pure fear in the market. And fear is one thing that creates a crash in the markets. So this is just a byproduct of fear in the markets. And thank you so much for watching this video. That's all for today. Bye.